sunny. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then a chance of showers and... Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Fairfield County in central South Carolina, northwestern Lee County in central South Carolina, east central Lexington County in central South Carolina, northwestern Sumter County in central South Carolina, Richland County in central South Carolina, southern Kershaw County in central South Carolina until 10:15 p.m. At 9:26 p.m. severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Springdale to villages as Sandhill to near Red Bank, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbia, West Columbia, Casey, Forest Acres, Camden, Springdale, Dentsville, Oak Grove, McIntyre Air Base, Red Bank, St. Andrews, South Congaree, Pine Ridge, Arcadia Lakes, Eastover, Lugoff, Sesquicentennial State Park, Lake Carolina, South Carolina State Fairgrounds, and West Columbia Riverwalk. This includes the following highways: Interstate 126 between mile markers 1 and 3. Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 69 and 112. Interstate 26 between mile markers 110 and 120. Interstate 77 between mile markers 0 and 24. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. And now taking a look at the forecast for Florence and the surrounding area.